Namaskar, this is Sonia Bandari, and one more time I welcome you to Aarsun Woods. And today we have along with us Ashish Mittal,
Namaskar.
Director of Aarsun Woods. First of all, congratulations, sir. You just received an award from Honorable Governor of Uttarakhand. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. And this is not just me to congratulate, it's the whole team,
Yeah,
including
right.
you. So, all of us, we received an award for our work in the promotion of handicrafts, handcrafted items, and employment generation in our city from the Honorable Governor of Uttarakhand. I'm really thankful to him for the prestigious award and for honoring our work. And congratulations to you as well
Thank
and
you
the
so much,
entire
sir.
Arson team for the award.
Today we will be showing you a grand sofa set. So, Ashish ji, please tell us something about this set.
This set is again customized, a bespoke set. And as you know, if you have seen our work earlier, that we make customized furniture.
Right.
So everything as per the client's requirement. Thus, we have coined that term, ma'am.
Choice wala furniture.
Right. And we call our furniture choice wala furniture because we make what client wants. Generally, what happens in a showroom, people walk in and they give them what they have.
Right.
But we don't do that. What we do is what people like. So in this set, we have some modifications as per the client's requirement. We'll discuss about that. Let's see the unit first. What all do we have in this set?
So this looks like a grand set. So how many seater is this?
And this is a four-seater.
Okay.
And the size out and out is 102 inches, 102. The back height you see is 4.5 feet from the uh, from the ground, 4.5 feet, and front to back this is 32 inches. It's a grand unit.
Right.
And a different thing in this one is the base. The base of this set is 2 inches, the base wood that we had used in this one. In regular sets, we have 1.5 inches base wood. This one is 2
2
inches.
inches.
And then again, antique gold paint. And let's go over the design.
Yeah.
And let's cover the leg part first. I'll show you the leg. And in a base to see how beautiful the leg work is. The lower part is like a lion's paw, and then beautifully crafted this flower design and a heavy handle that gives the set a desired look for a grand room. A four-seater unit is quite good when you have a huge wall, a big wall.
Right.
Generally, what happens is when you have a big wall, smaller units looks a little uh, compact kind of unit, and our stuff is grand, so it should look as its name is. So we have four-seater, then we have a three-seater again, one more three-seater in this one, then we have all
Single
chairs
seaters
to match the decor. Now, this is exactly as per the client's requirement. What they liked, we made that. The fabric color is again client's choice. And overall, if you see the complete set, you will be really happy because this work is by the local artisans. We make hand units, handwork, and this kind of grand, beautiful, amazing handwork is what we have here. And that is the talent we have in India, in our city, with Arson. And that's what we are promoting across the globe.
Okay, so sir, as I can see 3 center tables along with this set, is the 3 is fine with this set or we need more one?
See, honestly, when we have a bigger set, center tables do not work for any number of center table won't work because too many will clutter the space.
Right.
And bigger sets, anybody who's sitting on that corner cannot access a table.
Right.
So for that, we generally have side tables. So we put side tables with all the units. So a three-seater and side table here and side table there. That serves the purpose.
Okay.
But this client wanted like this, so we created 3 center tables. This will have a glass on top, and then is fine for use. So this is how the client wanted.
And one more thing, sir, I like to add: how much space we need when we have a huge set like this?
Generally, what happens is when we have bigger sets, we try and put them very open because it has to look grand.
Right.
So the unit, when has its own space and with the side tables as well, it looks really grand. So right now we have put it quite close. It's supposed to be like this. It should be a bigger set.
Okay.
But this space that we have covered at the moment is 24 by 16 feet with this set. 24 feet like this and 16 feet like this.
Okay.
So, but we need a bigger space because we will keep everything a little open so it looks more grand than what it is looking right now.
Okay, great.
And here is the chair. You can see ma'am is sitting on it and how grand the chair looks. So if you are really looking for something regal, something premium, and something that is really up to your living style standard, something like this can be considered for your home.
And the best part is we are not limited to this design. We have hundreds and hundreds of design. You can check our website artsandwoods.com, and even you can check us on YouTube. We have 800 plus videos over there. We make what you like. We make choice wala furniture. And we deliver in India and outside India. Aarsun is an international trademark registered in more than 35 countries. You can contact us. Number is right here on your screen. We will happy to discuss your requirements. Thank you.
Thank you.